everybody, today we're unboxing Vex Lucius L6 and it's a defense type Beyblade. So it's from the Beyblade Burst third season and it was owned by Lain. It was basically the main bad guy.
So yeah, so the bay in the front of the box, like if you look at it, it looks okay, it's pretty cool. So like the barrier gimmick that came inside the, like if you remember, like it had that barrier gimmick, and they were like so insane, like a bay couldn't really hit it or anything or touch it. But this time sadly we don't get the the barrier.
But actually that's good because of sometimes the barrier is actually bad.
Hopefully like the Speedstorm, like the tall driver doesn't make it too terrible, and hopefully it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So now let's go on to the back of the box and let's look at everything, then we'll unbox it.
So then this is the back of the box. So then Vex Lucius is a defense type that's right spinning. And then it has a D86 disc, that's a fuse disc. And then there's a TSP10, that's a Mobius driver.
Yeah, so pretty interesting. So pretty much like this anime parts. Yeah. But of course that 2D like fused disc doesn't have that barrier gimmick. Yeah. So and then let's look at the side, so it shows like fused attack power.
Yeah, fused attack power means like there's like this frame around this disc, but you can't take it out.
Yeah. And then like the stats, like pretty much the quite a big part about it was like the defense, like off the charts, 12.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's pretty interesting stats. Like stats don't matter too much.
Yeah.
So yeah, now let's move on to the unboxing.
So now let's unbox this.
Unboxing time. Have to rip it a bit.
Yeah. Okay. So then now here
we have to rip the box open off.
So the manual, yeah, we'll just put it aside, and the string.
So now the base. Now let's see our first impressions. How will it be?
This actually looks good.
Yeah, okay. So we have to test the button. Free spinning.
Free spinning.
So yeah, that's pretty nice. Yeah, so keep on going. So now let's take out the launcher and everything. Then we'll talk about like the parts and everything.
Yeah. So then now let's talk about the storm chip.
So like the details are a bit missing on it.
Yeah.
But yeah, like a standard chip. The slopes, like how do they look?
They look like
okay.
Yeah,
decent.
they're like okay, decent.
Yeah, we'll have to test the bay by just putting it together. Yeah. Like we put it together already, and like it was not super tight, like a bit loose. But yeah, we'll test inside the battles later. So now let's move on to the blade.
Yeah.
So that means that the blade like has quite a lot of blades. So like the the energy layer has a lot of blades.
So it will have lots of recoil.
Yeah. So like we'll have to hopefully hope that it does not like burst too much due to that recoil. But yeah, like a pretty interesting design for it.
It can only be used with right spins.
Yeah, but like I don't know, but like normally defense types are known for like being a bit round just for that like defense, right? To absorb the attacks and like Now let's move on to the next part, which is like the
disc.
Yeah, so fuse disc.
Yeah.
So it has like this pink like frame type of part around it fixed, so you can't take it out.
Yeah, and then like it's like kind of forcing downwards, so it's kind of like the
wall frame.
Yeah.
A bit scrape heavy looking. Yeah. It's looking like it might scrape, but yeah, it might be good for opposite spin though.
Yeah.
Yeah, and like.
But then Speedstorm have tall drivers. So
so that might not be bad.
Doesn't really matter.
Unless it like starts toppling over. Now let's move on to one interesting part, which like I'm pretty excited for, and that's like the driver. So it's like the Mobius driver.
Probably I'm getting most hype for this driver.
Yeah, because like the other parts like are not super duper interesting, and like it's pretty flat. So like it's not super good at stamina, but like opposite spin is like pretty good.
Build it up.
Yeah, so it's got quite so yeah, let's see. Pretty loose, is it?
Yeah.
Like we tasted before.
It's like decent.
Yeah. So how about just free spin the driver? How about? Oh, it's spinning.
It's
Yo,
so
that's
cool.
quite good opposite spin stamina. Okay, we'll have to now just test battle. I'm excited for it.
Yeah.
Hopefully it wins quite a lot.
Yeah.
The free spinning driver is helping out with that like flat, and it's pretty flat if you look at it.
It's good for equalization.
Yeah. So let's test it out against some like Speedstorm bays.
So then now let's do a test spin. 3, 2, 1, loud red.
Did the ball go out? Yo, that's not moving around. Oh, okay, maybe that's it. Yeah, it's just flat.
Yeah.
Very stable. Hopefully his defense is good. Doesn't look like from its shape, but yeah. Let's test battle it. First opponent, let's do it against one of the main characters from Surge.
Yeah.
Hyperion, let's go. Okay. So
3, 2, 1, let it rip.
come on! But I heard that free spinning going on.
Yeah.
I received some damage, but yeah, that recoil.
Okay,
Okay,
it has too many recoil and it's like decent
yeah,
slow.
so now let's test it against left spin base. Now let's see that driver shine.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1, let it rip.
That's because it doesn't have to do it. Done. Yo, it's standing its ground so well.
Yeah.
It's actually not moving. It's not punching.
What?
Oh, okay, maybe it's a disc. Maybe you have to customize that disc.
Yeah.
Like if we see, then. Oh, okay. Maybe it's just a disc. Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
Let's try another left spin.
3, 2, 1, let it rip.
Average level is even worse. Like, for opposite spin, it's even worse than top videos that will probably.
Yeah, because it's
Probably like four drivers. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's what we were hoping for. Maybe the Helios is also pretty good. Okay, let's test it against the right spin one more round.
Yeah.
Speed out trick, a lot of recoil
Yeah.
as well. 3, 2, 1,
Let
let
it
it rip. Yo. Did it win? I think it did.
It's a draw or
Spear might have
Vex Lucius one.
I don't know. Okay, let's just say it's a call it a draw. Man.
Yeah, let's call it a draw.
Okay. Okay, it's test battle, so only one.
This is basically unboxing.
Yeah, so like test battle's not that great,
Yeah.
but now according to you, what should you think? Should you buy, consider, or avoid it? What do you think?
Probably you should consider it.
Yeah, because like the Burst it a few times,
Yeah.
but that drive is pretty like I'm pretty interested about it. At least maybe
Yeah.
it's just me, but yeah.
It
Yeah,
has a lot of recoil, so
yeah, I mean it only bursted once, but like that burst resistance is not that great. So yeah, probably just consider it. A pretty cool bather because it's owned by the antagonist, Lain, so yeah. So before we end off, just stay ready for our next videos. We're going to be unboxing Astral Spryzen S7, Venom Devil's Pro Series, and a Quadrive Dual Pack of Raw Bulk Cash and another bait. So yeah, see you inside our next video. Bye!
Bye.